evaporation and condensation. Today we will study what is evaporation and condensation and how they relate to each other. So let's start this. Before starting the definition or before defining evaporation or what is evaporation, you should know this word based on what? Evaporation is based on evaporate and shun, T-I-O-N, shun means the act of. Now let's start. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which liquid changes into gas. Liquid changes into gas, or in this process when the particles they gain enough energy, then they enters in the air as a water vapor. So we can say that is what? Gas. Water can evaporate from other places like rivers, oceans, lakes, etc. And the source of evaporation is what? How evaporation happens by sunlight or heat. Condensation. Same. The word condensation means what? And this based on what word? Condense. So condense means compact or more close together. Means the particles they are very close to each other in condensation. So condensation is what? Changes from gas into liquid, or the condensation is the process in which gas changes into liquid. Condensation is exactly the opposite of evaporation. In evaporation, particles they are gaining energy, but in condensation they are losing energy. As you can see, the example of cold glass. Condensation, there are more examples. You have an idea. In morning, you can see outside morning dew or moistures in the air, droplets on your can of soda, foggy windshields, foggy breath, etc. As you can see in this picture, glass dew. Okay, at the end of the lesson, as you know, we are asking some challenging questions. We want to know, or even you can assess yourself, what do you understand by this lesson? How are evaporation and condensation related? How are evaporation and condensation related? And the second question, what happened to water vapor in the boy's warm breath as he breathed on the cold window? As you can see in this picture, or you have an idea. So think about these questions. Oh, don't go to the answers. First thing, find the answer and then you can see answers. Goodbye.